What's the molecular mass of chromium-4 oxide? Well, let's take a look. Bam! So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the elements I see in the compound. So I see chromium, Cr, and I see oxygen. Next is then, that looks like a 6, or it looks like a 5-year-old 6. That's better. Next, we're going to write down the number of atoms, right, of each. So that's where the subscripts come into play. So at the bottom of chromium, there is an invisible 1 down there. So that means that there's 1 chromium atom. And then there are 2 oxygen atoms. Then we're going to take those number of atoms and multiply it by the mass of the element. Where do we find that? To the periodic table we go. These represent the masses. Chromium's mass is 52. Oxygen is 16. They can either be in grams per mole if you're doing molar mass, or AMU if you're doing molecular mass. Can't speak that fast. So let's write those down, right? So the mass of chromium is 52, and the oxygen is going to be 16. Each oxygen weighs 16, right? Each mole or each atom. The magnitudes are the same, but the units differ. Now to find then the total mass of that particular element, we simply multiply the atoms by the mass, right? So 1 times 52 is hopefully 52. 2 times 16 is going to be 32. And then when we add this together, we simply get a total of then 84, and that is the total mass now of that compound. And since we're solving for molecular mass, the units here are in terms of AMU, atomic mass units. That's all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Come join me on some other videos. We got thousands of them out there. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, more coming out as well. We'll see you soon.